Aloha, everyone. I'm Rick Kirkham of InHomeComputerHelp.com and Custom5 websites.com. I'm redoing my personal website for my computer business because, well, it's a great big mess. And Mike and Tim, thank you so much for your help and advice on this. But anyway, what I wanted to talk about was how to use Google Docs to make a website. So what I did was I kind of wrote out my uh, website the way I wanted it to be, and you can do all kinds of stuff when you do a Word doc. For example, what I have here is some inline links. So unique computer service, make your computer faster. These actually go to links within the page. And then when you scroll down, you make another link to go back to the main menu. When you click on that, Google Docs is a little weird that way. You click on that, and then there's the link right there that you click on, and that sends you back. So I made that. And what I want to do now is I want to turn this into a web page. And the way most people would do that is they would go to File, and then Download As, and here's web page. But when you do that, like most WYSIWYG editors, what you see is what you get. You get a whole bunch of extra code that you don't really need. So instead, download a free program called OpenOffice. It's cross-platform. That means that there's versions of it for Ubuntu and Apple and probably some other operating systems even I haven't heard about. So instead of downloading it as a web page, download it as an OpenOffice document. So we're going to click on OpenOffice, and that's going to download. And then once that downloads, you can open it right up as soon as it's done downloading. And then from there, you go up to File, or you can make any changes you want to, obviously. But then you go to File and Save As, and then you save that as an HTML document. Hey, there we are. It's ready. So all I'm going to do here is save a little time. I'm going to click this up arrow and tell it to open. The thing I like from an SEO perspective, search engine optimization perspective, is that all of the files, all of the graphics and pictures and stuff like that are named to the name of your title. So when you go to change your title, when you do your save as, and then from there you go down to HTML, but then from there, let's go down to HTML. You want to get rid of your spaces, okay? The internet is simply not friendly to spaces, and I certainly don't need a file name as long as my title here. So I'm just going to go with speed up your, we're going to rename this to speed up your computer. I like using capitals to separate words, your computer. And when I'm finally done with this, it's going to be an index.php file. But in the meantime, any graphics that I have will be named speed up your computer and then some kind of number. So this is going to save into PC downloads. Look up on top here. You can also click on that. Actually, right down there too. And something else will show up where you can save it. You can also click along the side here to save it somewhere different. Maybe I'll save it in my Google Drive, but not right now. I just want to get this done for you. And then we tell this to save. And it'll ask me if I want to keep the current format or save as an ODF. That's Open Office Document Format or file, sorry. But no, I don't want to do that. I want to keep the format, which is HTML. And if I close this out, minimize this, and go. Now, by the way, you can hit an F5 to refresh. And there's my document right there. Now, sometimes it's a little bit of a mess, so you still might have to clean it up a little bit. But now this is a lot neater code here. You know, I've obviously have to get rid of some spaces and things like that. But if you do a right mouse click and view the source, view page source, then you end up with a lot neater code. You don't end up with all of the gobbledygook when you save it right from a Google Doc into an HTML web page. So that's all there is to it. And let's close that up. And that's it. So enjoy using Google Docs. Now, by the way, a little trick for you. When you're done, I won't even bother showing you this because I have to keep my videos shorter. But share that Google Doc to the public, and that'll be a little bit more extra advertising for you that way. All right, that's it. And I'm gonna, like I said, I'm trying to keep my videos short. So God bless you, and have a great evening, and good marketing to you. Bye bye.